All right, hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm here with my parents, Marcos and Linda, and we're planning the last few things for our trip to San Francisco. This is a trip I've been trying to plan for about the last 2 years and didn't get to do it last year, so we're doing it this year instead. So, Mom, Dad, what do y'all think about the trip?
I'm very excited.
We're looking forward to it. We've been looking forward for the last 3 months. So here is just a couple of days to get there, and it's going to be very enjoyable, very exciting. We've been going through vacations throughout the years, but kind of like in the state of Texas or Florida, mostly Florida, but never interstate. So this time we're going to go from Texas to New Mexico, to Arizona. We're going to go to Nevada. We're going to go to California. So it's going to be a very exciting trip, and we're looking forward to it. There are many beautiful places that Melvin has already set up for entertaining and taking a lot of pictures and having fun and having a good time. So we're really, really ready to go.
And I'm excited because I've never been to Vegas, and Melvin's arranged for me to celebrate my birthday in Vegas.
Yep, we'll spend the full day for her birthday there.
So, and he's booked a show for us and everything, so I'm really happy to be doing it.
And at least I've been once to Las Vegas for a couple of days, 3 days.
How long ago, though?
It was at least 25 years ago or so, when they had just finished opening New York, as I was in Las Vegas, and it was exciting. So, but Linda has never been in Las Vegas, so this is going to be very exciting and very enjoyable for her to see all these different type buildings and a lot of lights and a lot of excitement throughout the area. So it's going to be a lot of fun.
Aside from Vegas, y'all haven't been west at all, right?
No.
And you've been to Colorado, but not been any further than that, right?
Yeah, I've only been to Colorado.
You've never been to y'all never been to California or anywhere?
I've never been in California. No, and I did visit Albuquerque, New Mexico, but my God, that's 50 years ago.
Oh, wow.
When I first came to USA. So it's been a long time.
I made this trip, almost identical trip, about 10 years ago with my best friend Anna, and I loved the trip, and I've been wanting to take my parents ever since. And again, you know, that was 10 years ago. It wasn't until about 2 or 3 years ago that I started talking about and actually planning it. I surprised them for Christmas with new luggage, and they didn't understand why they were getting luggage, and it was for this trip. So we're going to be making a lot of cool stops. We're going to stop in Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, Texas. We're going to go to Meow in Santa Fe, Sandia Peak in Albuquerque, head over to Grand Canyon for a day. Then, like we mentioned, Vegas, we're going to hit Stratosphere, Chris Angel's show, and then on to San Francisco. The plan was to go to Alcatraz. Unfortunately, that's sold out. We're going to do Muir Woods, Pier 39, Fisherman's Wharf, some of that stuff. And then after San Fran, we're heading down south, and we're going to hit Phoenix. And then our last stop really that we're going to make is in San Angelo, Texas, which is actually where my parents met.
No, we actually met in Midland.
Texas. My
I
mom
was born in
San
Angelo.
Yeah, so when I say San Angelo, Midland, to me, they're essentially almost the same place, right? How far apart are they?
About 110 miles.
Oh, it's that big of a difference?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, San Angelo is south of Midland.
But how long has it been since y'all have been to San Angelo?
Oh my God, when we helped my parents
when we had
move.
the last trip to visit.
The 80s?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
When my parents moved here from there, so.
No, I was in...
You were very young.
I think I was in like 5th or 6th grade at that time. So yeah, it was a long time ago.
Long time ago.
All right, well, we don't want to keep rambling on. You know, the rest of this video, you're going to start, you know, you'll see us on the road throughout the travel. And then aside from this video, you're going to probably see about 6 or 8 other videos from all the different things that we're doing. So just wanted to introduce my parents so y'all know who they are. everybody. Last time you saw me with my parents, we were actually at their house in their kitchen talking about the trip, and now we're about to get on our way on the trip. We're filming this indoors rather than outdoors because it's actually nighttime right now. It's about 9:30 p.m. and we're getting ready to make our first leg of the trip. From here, we're heading to Amarillo, Texas, gonna check out Cadillac Ranch, and then after that, we'll be on our way to Albuquerque, New Mexico. My dad's actually out here. I picked up a couple of these Route 66 books that he's checking out and studying to see if we can find some cool spots. So, Mom, Dad, y'all got anything to say?
No, just excited to get on the
We're
road.
ready to go.
All right.
Ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, we're ready to hit the road.
All right, me and my parents just got to the first stop, which is the Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, Texas. We've been on the road for about 9 hours so far, so gonna check this out. What do y'all think?
I like it.
Pretty cool?
Nice, cool.
Looks so different. I can't
This
believe
is
all.
so different.
Look at that underneath there. I mean, the colors and everything.
Right.
All right, we just finished up over here at the Cadillac Ranch. We're getting ready to go have some lunch. And then after this, we're heading over to Albuquerque and Santa Fe, New Mexico. We've officially made it to New Mexico. We're stopping off over here at the Welcome Center real quick to see if we can find any places to eat. Find some pamphlets on some places to eat or something, or see what else there is to do here. We're having our first meal on the trip. We're in New Mexico. We just got across the border. We're having some pancakes and hash browns. About to chow down. I'm starving. This is at the diner we just ate at. break for a little bit. My dad's driving for a little while. We're not too far away from getting to Albuquerque. Finally made it to Albuquerque, New Mexico, and staying at the Marriott here, and I'm on the 17th floor, and look at this amazing view. Only gonna be here for a few minutes. Gotta get out to the 2 more spots before the day's done, but I wanted to capture this before it got too dark. It's gonna be nice waking up to that view tomorrow. Alright, so if you ever come to Santa Fe, you definitely have to come to Meow. This is awesome. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Alright, we just made it to our 3rd and final stop for Albuquerque, New Mexico. We are at the Sandia Tramway. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to go up to 10,679 feet